Hello everyone, I'm Leo today and this is an unboxing video of Dark Rock Pro 3 CPU cooler. In the process of this video I will tell you a little bit about it and do a little comparison with a newer version. So it is one of the popular and effective solutions for cooling your processor. It has several features that make it attractive to PC gaming enthusiasts and professionals. The Dark Rock Pro 3 boasts an impressive design based on a dual tower with aluminum fins and two 135 SilentWings fans, which provide powerful airflow and high cooling efficiency. This design ensures optimal ventilation and allows the Dark Rock Pro 3 cooler to handle processors with high heat dissipation. One of the main advantages of the Dark Rock Pro 3 is its low noise level. The SilentWings fans have specially designed blades that reduce noise and deliver virtually silent operation. This makes it an ideal choice for those seeking a powerful cooler that operates quietly. This CPU cooler is also highly compatible with various processor sockets, which I will indicate in the description below this video. This means that you will be able to install it on most modern processors without any problems. However, it's worth noting that the Dark Rock Pro 3 was released slightly earlier, and its updated version is the Dark Rock Pro 4. The Dark Rock Pro 4 features an improved design optimized for even greater cooling efficiency and noise reduction. It incorporates enhanced SilentWings 3 fans and a new copper-based heat conduction technology. These upgrades make the Dark Rock Pro 4 an even more appealing choice for users seeking top-notch performance and silent operation. Therefore, the Dark Rock Pro 3 is an excellent CPU cooler with high cooling efficiency, low noise level and wide compatibility. However, if the Dark Rock Pro 4 is available to you, it's worth considering as an updated version with improved features and capabilities. I will also leave a link to the official website of the manufacturers of these two. Thank you for watching, subscribe to the channel, like this video if you like it, if you're not, leave a comment with tips. That's all I have. Goodbye.